Welcome to class 10 Insight. In today's class, we shall be discussing about the important numericals from your exam point of view. So you have to practice these numericals without seeing once you get an idea how to solve, so that you can easily answer in the question paper. These type of questions are most expected. So let us start with the first numerical. It is from the chapter electricity. An electric heater connected to a 220 volt generator draws a current of 10 ampere. What is the power of the electric heater? We have to find the power. Then if it is used for 8 hours a day, then calculate the total cost of using it for 30 days at rupees 5 per 1 kilowatt hour. So if it is rupees 5 for 1 kilowatt hour, we have to calculate the total current that is used in one day and then calculate it for 30 days, then multiply it with rupees 5, so that we will be knowing what is the total cost for using it for 30 days at this rate, that is rupees 5 for 1 kilowatt hour. So for every numerical, first we have to write the given parameters. They have given the voltage, that is 220 volt, then current is given 10 amperes. We have to find the power, that is the first sub question. So which is the formula which relates V and I to find out power? So that is P is equal to V into I. What is V? 220. What is I? Into 10, that is equal to 22, followed by 2 zeros. What is the unit for power? It is watt. So the power it consumes is 2200 watt. Next we are supposed to find the heat energy. H is equal to, we know that H is equal to I square RT. We also know that V is equal to I into R. So this I square R can be written as IR into I into T. IR, in place of IR can I write V? Yes, V into I and T as it is I will write. And from this previous formula only we know that Vi is nothing but P. So H is equal to P into T. Using this formula, we will be finding the amount of energy that will be used for one day. So H is equal to, what is the power we have got? 2200 watt into, what is the time duration? It is for 8 hours. In one day it will be used for 8 hours. So in place of time I take it as 8. No need to convert it into seconds because I want it for 1 kilowatt hour. So the time is in hours itself. And what about this 1 kilowatt? Our power is just in watt. Since I want it in 1 kilowatt, I divide it by 1000. So 2 zeros get cancelled. We are left over with H is equal to 22 into 8 by 10, that is nothing but 2.2 into 8, that is H is equal to 8 2s are 16, 1 carry, 8 2s are 16 plus 1 17. Since after one digit decimal point is there, it is 17.6 kilowatt hour. So this is the amount of energy that will be consumed for one day. We are supposed to calculate this for 30 days. So the amount of energy that is utilized in one day, that is for 8 hours duration, it is 17.6 kilowatt hour. Now we have to find out for 30 days. So what is the total cost? So the total cost of energy for 30 days is, that is the amount of energy utilized into number of days, and what is the rate per kilowatt hour, how much it costs. So that is the amount of heat energy utilized is 17.6. It is for one day. If we want to find out for 30 days, we have to multiply it by 30 days. And for 1 kilowatt hour, if it is rupees 5, what about for 17.6 kilowatt? So multiply 17.6 by 5. So this is what the calculation goes on, and the answer we will be getting is 2640. What is the unit? Since it is the amount we are calculating, it is rupees 2640. 640. So the electric heater which works for 8 hours for 30 days will cost rupees 2640 at the rate of rupees 5 per kilowatt hour. Hope this numerical is clear. Coming to the next problem, it is again from the chapter electricity. Resistance of a metal wire of length 2 meter is 28 ohm. So this is the resistance they have given at 20 degrees Celsius. If the diameter of the wire is 0.04 millimeter, what will be the resistivity of the metal at that temperature? We are supposed to find resistivity. So we came to know what is to be found. Before solving the numerical, first let us list out the given parameters. So first we know that they have given resistance of the metal wire is 28 ohms. They have given the length also, it is of 2 meter. We are supposed to find the resistivity. So which is the formula which relates all these three is resistance is equal to rho into L by A, where R is the resistance, rho is the resistivity, L is length of the conductor, where R is the resistance, rho is the resistivity, L is the length of the conductor, and A is area of cross section. Since we want resistivity, let resistivity be here in RHS. I take L divided by A to LHS. Since we are taking it to the other side, I will have to take the reciprocal, that is L by A becomes A by L. So that is resistivity is equal to R into A by L. Now we can substitute. Rho is equal to, in place of R I should substitute 28. In place of A, do we know into area of cross section divided by L, what is the length of the conductor? It is 2 meter. Do we know what is the area of cross section? No, we know only the diameter. What is the diameter they have given? It is 0.04 millimeter. Millimeter is nothing but 0.04 into 10 power minus 3 meter. So what is area of cross section in terms of diameter or radius? We know that area of cross section, since the shape of the wire is circular, I take it as pi r square. R in terms of D can be written as D by 2. That is diameter is half of radius. Since I want radius value, I'll take this diameter as D by 2. So that is pi into, in place of R, I write it as D by 2 whole square. Pi value, we should take it as 22 by 7. What is D value they have given? It is 0.04 into 10 power minus 3 divided by 2 whole square. So in place of area of cross section, I will have to substitute this value. So rho is equal to 28 by 2 into 22 by 7 into 0.04 by 2 into 0.04 by 2 into 10 power minus 3 whole square. Using law of exponents, I can write it as 10 to the power minus 6. Now substituting this, 7 ones are 7 fours are, 2 ones are 2 twos are, again 2 ones are 2 ones are. So we are left over with 22 into 0.04 into 0.04 into 10 power minus 6 divided by 2. So 2 ones are 2 11s are 11 into 0.04 into 0.04 is 0.0046. 4 square is 16 into 10 power minus 6. This can be simplified as 11 into, if at all we don't want to simplify in decimal values, we can shift the decimal points, that is 1 2 3 4. Since I am shifting the decimal points 4 places, so I can write 0.0016 as 16 into 10 power minus 4, because I have shifted the decimal point by 4 places. 10 power minus 6 remains as it is. So using laws of exponents, I write it as 10 to the power minus 10 into 11 into 16 is 176 ohm meter. So this is the resistivity of the given metal wire. If at all you want to represent it in the standard form, we can write it as 1.76 into 10 power minus 8 ohm meter. Very important numerical. Hope it is clear. Coming to the next problem. This is a numerical from the chapter light. based on mirror. A convex mirror that has a radius of curvature 4 meter is used in a bus if the car is located at a distance of 10 meter from the mirror. Then find the image distance. We have to find the image distance, that is V. Mention the nature and size of the image formed. So as soon as we see it is a convex mirror, we have some idea about the nature and size of the image. So what would be the nature? It is virtual. And size will also be lesser than the object size. So before solving the numerical only, we have these ideas. So with these ideas, let us start with the solution. First we will write the given parameters. So what is the radius of curvature they have given? Capital R is equal to 4 meter. So the mirror is being used in bus. So we consider the position of car as distance of the object. So it is at a distance of 10 meter. We will have to take it as minus 10 meter because the value of u is taken negative always. So which is the formula which relates image distance, object distance and the focal length? That is 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. Do we know the focal length? No, but we have radius of curvature. There is a relationship between the focal length and the radius of curvature, that is f is equal to r by 2. What is r value? It is 4. So 4 divided by 2 is 2 meters. So in place of f we will substitute 1 by 2. Since we need the image distance, let it remain in the RHS. We will take 1 by u to the left side. So that is 1 by f minus 1 by u. What is 1 by f? It is 1 by 2 minus, what is u value? It is minus 10, that is equal to 1 by v. Minus divided by minus is plus, that is 1 by 10 is equal to 1 by v. What is the LCM of 2 and 10? It is 10. 2 into 5 is 10. 10 ones is 10. So here in the second term it is 1, that is equal to 1 by v. So what is 1 by v? It is 6 by 10. What is v? V is equal to 10 by 6. That is nothing but 1.66 meter. So this is the distance of the image from the mirror. So this is the distance of the image. Since v is positive, from this also we can tell that it is an virtual image formed. So let us check what is the magnification formula for mirror. It is minus v by u. What is v value? Let us take it in fraction. It will be easy to calculate. Minus as it is 10 by 6 divided by, what is u value? It is minus 10. So minus divided by minus is plus. 10 by 6, taking 10 to the numerator, we will take the reciprocal, that is 1 by 10. 10 get cancelled. What is m value? It is 1 by 6. 1 by 6 in decimal value is nothing but 0.166. So this value we can make out, it is less than 1. Hence we can tell that the size of the image is lesser than the object size because magnification is lesser than 1. If magnification is lesser than 1, the image formed, the size of the image will be lesser than the object size. Here it is 0.166 times lesser than the size of the object. And since m is positive, we came to know that the nature of the image is virtual. Hope this numerical is clear.